Today we will be talking about a single particular term that Vedant Drashti uses each and every day: engagement. Engagement is something which makes or breaks a YouTuber. Engagement is the first essential thing that if you are getting started on YouTube, you actually need it the most. Engagement. How to become the engagement king? The biggest philosophical question. By engaging people to watch your video till the end, point number 1. Or if you cannot engage your people to watch your video till the end, at least make sure that they watch the 50% of your video. Point number 2. Using cards. Using cards and ad screens are the wonderful trick to increase the engagement between the audience. You can actually add polls to it. Point number 3. How to be a successful YouTuber. For example, I have 5 successful channels on YouTube. You can see them right here. So how I managed to build such a strong empire? Reason I have already mentioned: engagement. How can you become the engagement king? Again, let's get back to the main points. Do not forget to leave a pinned comment in each of your video. You can ask your audience, did you like this video, or rate this video out of 10. Believe me, you will be getting the highest engagement rate on your video compared to your previous videos after doing these tricks. Point number 5. Title, tags and description. Your titles, tags and description must contain a word which is common in between the 3. For example, I am using the finest video ever on earth, and the finest video word will be common in my video's title, tags and description, and if possible use it in your thumbnail as well. The next point comes out that keeping your thumbnail as simple as possible. You have wondered, most of my videos who have gotten popular on this Invaders Mindset channel has a white clean background. It actually signifies and gives us a psychological impact that this video might be simple and up to the point. Try these points, my friend, and if these points end up working for you, do not forget to leave a comment saying that please make a part 2. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Check out.